Hi guys, this is a quick follow-up to the video I just did on alcohol inks. This is what my gloves look like. That's what my plastic looks like. I blew a hole in my thumb. I've now sorted these colors more or less by color families. So blues, greens, the earth tones, the brown sort of. Metallics, purpley, orangey, pinky. So I, I guess it is what it is. I started out okay, I guess. Then they sort of started taking on ink blot like characteristics. I had some difficulty. I ended up, I've got two dead ones, pearl and pitch black, so I will throw those out. Well, mind you, there is liquid in there, so I might continue working with that. And there's liquid in there. I don't know what the deal is. I found that the metallics had their little nozzles clogged up, so I was using this skinny little sewing needle first, getting nowhere. Then I used this pin that is slightly thicker, and finally I ended up with this. Of course, in some places I had spillage. This is Lake Mist. I thought I was going to have to, break it out of its slot because it was so stuck in there. I have to say, if there's one overriding message to this, if you, based on my previous brilliant demonstration of using these, if you decide, oh, I must rush out and buy some of this, for the love of God, please take better care of it than whoever owned these before I did. I imagine that it's like everything. Okay, these are 0.5 of a fluid ounce. So we are definitely paying by the volume. So if it runs out into this sort of a holder like that, then obviously you're wasting product and adding so much to the frustration level. What I did was let me put this aside. As I handled the bottles, I wiped the neck of them and, got into the cover as well. Now, I don't know if this is the best possible system for making these bottles. I don't know how old they are or anything like that, but, it only takes a second to wipe that residue off. If it was all crudded up in there, and allowed to dry, then obviously the next time you try to close it, the ink is going to seep past it and make a heck of a mess. So these are wet wipes that I was using. So of course, do we throw anything out? No, we don't. This is collage fodder, or this is art journal fodder. And I decided that I would switch to a new one. Like this one is pretty gross, but maybe in a grungy journal. This one, I believe, is beautiful. This one is not bad. The blue one is by far the best. I should say that with the silver, it was coming out like toothpaste, except much finer, stream, so to speak. So that is basically all I wanted to say. If you own these, please take care of them. I kind of wish that I would have been able to compress them into only... Oh, will I ever get these gloves off now? I guess I should do it that way. Oh, maybe I blew out two thumbs. Anyway, if you... Oh, I was just going to repeat, I guess, what I was saying earlier. Take good care of them. I wish I could have compressed them into one holder, because this is kind of an unwieldy thing to store them in. It's a 12 by 12, I guess, box. I will not give up on the pearl and the black yet, but I did want, boy, this doesn't, I'll try soap and water after this, but okay, clearly wear gloves. Make sure you have an upcoming mani-pedi scheduled. No, I didn't get any on my feet. Just have an upcoming mani-pedi. What else? Yeah, I mean, there are some absolutely gorgeous colors here. And I think that now that I've, broken the ice, so to speak, with using this, I will make it my business to do some batch something or other with this, whether it's making some backgrounds, whether it is rusting. Oh, let's look at these. They've had more time to dry. Let's just try this on something. I'd say little, if any, color transfer. So I could certainly use that. I also do want to try the faux Scotch tape thing. Maybe I'll do a video on that. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.